Hello CAMFive friends, welcome to another CAMFive EMB video. I'm Hector and today we show you a few tips for a perfect cap embroidery. Let's begin.
Always place your rotary mount accessory on an immovable surface. The frame should be perfect on the cap. Install the cap into the frame, checking everything is in place. Set the cap clamp in your machine and put the cap on it. Take your design into the control panel and set everything for cap embroidering. Follow the next steps for assigning the rotary frame to the embroidery machine. First, once the design and the colors are selected, go to the last window and press the frames button. Second, select the rotary system and push the checkmark. And that's all. Always look that your design is centered in the margin of the frame. Don't begin to embroider if the design is larger than the margin. That can provoke that the needles clash with the frame, breaking them. Also, you have to unravel the embroidery and start all over again, damaging the head. You can reduce the size of your design so it can fit in the frame. This modification is possible if the design stitches are not too tight. Otherwise, the embroidery won't come out as planned. Lead to the next window in the control panel. In the Zoom XY section, you can modify the size. Having changed that, check it in the rotary frame section. If the size isn't right yet, repeat until the design fits the margin. Once everything is said and done, start your embroidery. When it finishes, remove the cap from the frame and take your design into the games field.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope it really helps you for future projects, especially those involved with caps. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more info and videos about our CAMFive EMB machines. Till the next time.